Hello creatives, welcome back to my channel, the Creative Cash Lab. My name is Tapiwach Temere. On this channel we learn, earn, create and hustle. So today I'm going to be showing you an app that I have used to play games and get paid. Can you believe that? I was really paid with this app. I'm going to also be showing you the proof of payment so that you can see that when I'm talking about this app, I'm talking about something that I have tried and tested, because I'm still using this app. I'm still even earning through this app. These apps are not quick rich schemes. They are just some hustles that you can do to earn some extra money for yourselves. To those who have not yet subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first ones to see it. To those who have subscribed, I just want to thank you. So now going to the app, I'm going to show you the app name, my proof of payments, and how get around the app so that you can start playing your games and then also expect to get paid. The app that I'm talking about is called Match to Win. So you go to Google Play Store and download Match to Win. We are now in the page of the app. There are so many things on this app. There are tournaments which you can play to get money. On these tournaments, you'll be competing against some real users again, just like you. So it means you have to do your job well. And then the most important thing when playing this app is you have to collect more gold coins, because these gold coins will be using them. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I'm going to be playing this game, you just do like Candy Crush. For all those who know Candy Crush, it's just similar to that one. Let's say I start playing. We must aim for more gold coins whilst we do the task that we are required to do. If you are a new user, when you start to log in, it will ask you whether you want to sign in as a guest or with your Facebook account. So you just choose what you want. Me, I've signed in not as a guest, but you can even sign in as a guest, it's fine. Then there's this spin thing. If you press here, you see it's telling me to spin. I spin, and then I got 400 gold coins. I collect them, I close. Down after the spin, you can see these numbers. That is for Lotto. You can play it again. You see from yesterday I got 5,000 points. I'm going to claim them, and then I'll show you how to do on the Lotto. You have to press the numbers. If you are lucky, at least I got another number. I got only one number, which means I'm going to get some coins which are not that much. I'm going to get 1,500 coins from this Lotto. This tournament also, which goes, if you can see, it says choose a tournament. Backpacker, it's $0.50 or 25 cents if you're number 3. And then on the Explorer, number 1 will get $2, number 2 will get $1, number 3 will get 50 cents. So it's for you to choose which one you want to play. As for me, normally I usually like the Explorer, which have more amounts because I need to earn more quickly. And then lastly, on the right side, there is this other one with 7s. So after spinning, let's go and see at which number I am. For us to see which number I am, after spinning, you go, you see there is leaders there. You press leaders, then we see which number you will be. So the main important thing here is to collect those 7s. It's either in a row, vertically, horizontally, or even if they cross, it's fine, so long there are 7s in a row. So when we go to the leaderboard, you can see that I'm on number 1 and I have 93 points. So if I continue being there, it means when the game ends, I'm going to be with $3. So let's count. I have that $4 something in my store. If it means I'm going to win that $3, it's going to add here up to what? Up to $7.30. You see, it's so easy. And then if I'm also going to join another tournament here, let's say I join this one for backpacker, it means if I win again, I'm going to get $1, and then it's going to be $8 by the end of today. You see that it's so simple. So creatives, go download the game. So this is the game I've been talking about. So guys, go download it, try it. If you have any questions or if you don't understand anything on this game, just put your questions in the comment section. I'll gladly help you, because this app really pays. Also note that when you do your cash out, they usually tell you that you get your payment within 3 to 5 days. This app takes more than 3 to 5 days. It can take a week, but after that week, they really pay you your money. They pay you your money, but they take more than 3 days to process your money. Okay, so let's go creatives. Happy hustling. See you in our next video.